guys, so I have decided to make a turkey meatloaf. AJ is in there sleeping, so I was able to get his caregiver to stay and keep an eye on him while I cut up my onions and my green peppers. So I already have that stuff cut up.
Banana custom.
What? Banana costume. Do you need the pee-pee? You look like you need a pee-pee. It's never ending, right? You go. Let me change this YouTube to banana costume. Let me figure out what that is. Between Donovan and AJ, I just can't get nothing done. Alright, we figured out what banana costume was. Anyway, let me show you guys. I have my potatoes. For mashed potatoes, I'm going to make some green beans. I have all of my seasonings and everything for my meat. It's just I really hate that I have this. Like, I had some good sea salt, but we ran out, so that's the only thing I have left. But black pepper, onion powder, some minced garlic, some cayenne pepper, some Worcestershire sauce, and onions and yellow pepper. And so I'm gonna go ahead and get this stuff going before AJ wakes up, and hopefully I can do that. So we'll see. I got to get some eggs out of the refrigerator to put in there too, and my breadcrumbs, and that's it. Yep, that's it. So let me go ahead and get this going, and yeah, I guess now y'all can finally get to cook with me.
Once again.
Last little bit of sea salt left. I was able to use a little bit of it. So I'm just gonna saute my veggies and garlic, get that going. It's hard trying to film and cook at the same time without a real camera. And a tripod. I probably need a tripod too. I do add a little ketchup and barbecue sauce to the meat so I can cook in the meat. I don't know. I've always done it that way and it's just good. So I like it that way. So right now I still have the, I'm getting ready to turn this off actually. And I'm getting ready to throw this into the bowl and mix that up. Okay, so this is the loaf. You guys did not see me put 2 eggs in there. I also put 2 eggs, and I am going to make like a sauce to go over it after it's done cooking. So I'm getting ready to pop this in the oven and put it in there. What? What's the problem? Pop this in the oven until it's done. Probably about at least 45 minutes or so. Okay, let me stick it on in the oven. Still got the potatoes cooking. And I'll get the green beans going probably about 15 minutes before the meatloaf is done, because I'm just gonna saute some frozen green beans, season them, and I might cut up a little bit of onion and put in there too. But that's how we eat our green beans. So yeah, we'll just wait for the meatloaf to finish cooking and we'll be done. All right, here's my potatoes. Oh, and you know what I forgot to do? Cook the potatoes or boil the potatoes in chicken stock, chicken stock. Oh, it is so good. It gives the potatoes such a good flavor. It makes the mashed potatoes like that much more delicious, but I forgot to do it. So here's my potatoes, and then here's my meatloaf. I just put a sauce, like a barbecue sauce, barbecue ketchup, honey, and a couple other seasonings in there to make it taste delicious. The only thing that I have to do now is make the green beans, and then we're all set. I'm not gonna plate this for you guys. I'm just not gonna do it because it's 7:02, and I actually need to start getting the boys ready to go upstairs and get ready for bed. AJ and Donovan do not eat what we eat. I try to feed it to them. I'm not even gonna try tonight. I'm not even gonna do it. But Donovan, I got Donovan some wings from Meyer. Those wings are so good from Meyer. I don't know if y'all ever had them before, but those, I don't know what they are. They're delicious wings. I don't know if they're fried or not. I don't know if the lighting's bad. But yeah, so got him some wings from Meyer. AJ, I tried to give him some SpaghettiOs. He wouldn't eat that. Or the Chef Boyardee SpaghettiO type thingamajig, you know what I'm talking about. He won't eat it. He used to love that stuff, but he won't eat it now. So I tried to give him that. I tried to get him some macaroni and cheese. He wouldn't eat that. And so he ate a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. And then he spilled his juice all over. Like he dumps the juice all over his high chair table. So I'm just gonna leave him in there until I'm about ready to clean him up, because I ain't ready to clean him up right now. I'm about to make these green beans and call it a night. I'm gonna maybe I'll do a, well, no, I'll just call it a night here. Yeah. After I'm done with the green beans, I'm gonna go ahead and pick out clothes for tomorrow. Donovan wears uniform. He wears the same thing, but AJ is going to a story time at the library, so I got to get him some clothes out. I got to get my clothes out, and then I got to wash out the tub so they can take baths. So that is it for tonight. Thank you guys for cooking with me, and maybe I'll do this again. We'll see. All right, talk to you guys later.